Okay, let's get on with question 12. Question 12 is about an iron bar that's heated, and really this is a simultaneous equation question. And what you're having to do here is construct two equations and then solve them and use the solved solution to work out what would happen for a different iron bar. So we're given an equation, L equals mt plus c, where L is the length, T is the temperature, M is some number, and C is some number. And we don't know what those numbers are, what they are. And we're going to work them out. So it says, write down an equation that shows the information that at 150 degrees Celsius, the length of the iron bar is 180 millimeters. So we can do 180 is equal to M, we don't know, it's 150 times M plus C. And that's the first equation. Very straightforward. The second equation, we're told it's 181.5 is equal to 210M plus C. Now, we can just use simultaneous equations to solve this. This is a very simple simultaneous equation one to solve because we have C's both have the coefficient of 1. So all we need to do is subtract these. And I'm just going to subtract them up. Normally we would subtract down, but I'm going to subtract up because then I end up with a nice positive result. So 181.5 minus 180 is 1.5. 210 minus 150 is 60. And C minus C is 0. So we're left with 1.5 equals 60M. So then all we need to do is 1.5 divided by 60, and that gives us 0.025 is equal to M. Now, if we know that's what M is, we can work out C by using either of the two equations that we've worked out there. So let's use the first one, 180 equals 150 times 0.025 plus C. So we times this by 150, and that gives me 3.75. So 180 equals 3.75 plus C. And if we subtract 3.75 from both sides, we can get what C is equal to. And that's 176.25 equals C. So now that we've worked out what M and C are, we can actually work out what happens when it's a temperature of 40. So we really know that L is equal to M, which is 0.025 T plus 176.25. So we can take that 0.025 times that by 40, add 176.25 to it, and that will tell us what the new length is. So 0.025 times 40 is 1 plus 176.25 is equal to 177.25. And that's millimeters. So let's just fill in our answers here. A, we've written our equation down, so that was 180 equals 150M plus C. It was 181.5 equals 210M plus C. And lastly, the answer is 177.25 millimeters. Okay, and that's question 12.